Door shut, radio and accessories off. Ignition's turned, being held. Let go. The lightning bolt, check engine, and the traction control. Check engine flashing, lightning bolt off. Check engine, I think, goes off. One of those two goes off in a minute. Let's see what happens. There's still some kind of motor actuating right now, I can hear. It sounds like a wiper motor or something, but it's not moving. Motor's still actuating. Well, they stop now. Oh, here goes another one. Alright, I think that's it. Now let's check the codes. Engine light staying on this time. Oh, there's another motor actuating. Something's still going on. Alright, it's not going to do anything else. Alright, hit the codes. Key off. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. It's crazy. Alright, if anybody knows what that is, I'm dying to know because I can't get the car to start. Let's try that again. You see it says no fuse for a second there. I did that wrong. Try it again. One. Yep. Start over. 1, 2, 3. I must have did that wrong. Again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. 1, 2, 3. Looks like it's sticking now. Key completely out. I'm going to try it again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, nothing.